Catching every trend has never been so easy. In this video, you will learn how you can maximize your trading profits just like this. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. Like always, open up your empty Tradingview chart and head over to Indicators tab. Then search for CM Slingshot and you will see indicator from Chris Moody. Click that to your chart. Our second indicator is this is our confirmation indicator, which is called Donchian Trend Ribbon. This is one of my favorite indicator. Click that to your chart. After you add the indicators, now go to settings for the Donchian Trend Ribbon and change your channel period to 25. Then hit OK button. We are trading Nasdaq today and our time frame is 5 minutes. But the great thing is you can use this whole strategy on any type of markets and any time frame. So now let's go to the CM Slingshot system settings, disable these conservative entry arrows and enable the B and S letters. That's it. That's the only thing you need to do. Hit OK button and the setup is ready. Rules are simple. Let's deep dive how we can use this whole strategy. If you want to level up your trading game, Fastpool is a great tool for you. One of my absolute favorite tool is AI Signals, where you can get buy and sell alerts real time with stop loss and take profit. Also, you can get updated always with 724 express news that will help you to track markets all the time. Besides of this, you can track economic calendar and read the latest trading analysis. All of these features are also available in the Fastpool mobile app and most of them are free to use. We are seeing these down red arrows in our screen and we have this green, we have this red cloud, we have this green cloud, which means that the red is always bearish and the green is always bullish. And if you go down, you will see that Donchian Trend Ribbon is green and red. Red means it's bearish, green means that it's bullish. Also, we have this sell and buy signals appeared on our chart and this comes from the CM Slingshot system indicator. We will use all these things for our confirmation and entry signals. Let's take a look at the first example here. We see this cloud returns to red, we got the down red arrow and we go down, check if the Donchian Trend Ribbon is red, also checked. What you should do is just take the short position here and put your stop loss to the recent resistance line, which will be here of course. And very important thing, you will write your trade until you see Donchian Trend Ribbon gave you the green. If you see the green, you are out of the position. That's it. That's the only thing you need to follow, right? And let's take a look at a buy example here, which is the next example. We are not cherry picking here, guys. We see this cloud returns green and we go down, check the arrow. If it is green, yes, that's green. And the Donchian Trend Ribbon is also green. We got already 3 signals to enter a long position. And we see here a buy signal from the slingshot. We got a 4 signals to take a long position here and all you need to do is just take this long position. After you done that, put your stop loss to the recent support line like always and take your profit when you see Donchian Trend Ribbon gave you the sell signal here, which means that when it returns to red, right? I would like to show you how profitable is this trading strategy. Let's see that. We have entered a long position with the bar close here and we write the trade until we see Donchian Trend Ribbon returns to red. This is the rule, right? And the stop loss is the recent support line and that's it. We are talking about here nearly 1:4 risk reward ratio. This is crazy. All you need to do is just follow this trading strategy, put it on your chart, test it yourself. You can always play around with the settings and change the ticker. Maybe you trade forex, maybe you trade gold, or maybe you trade crypto, right? The great thing is, like I said, you can use this strategy on any type of market. Both of these indicators are very popular on the Tradingview community. It means something, right? They are working really well. That was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos, and until the next time, see you soon.